drive-thru for a hash brown and a coffee? I don't think so.
Okay, let's go. Hash browns are such an easy recipe. Just take a few minutes to make these. Once you've got your potatoes peeled, let's make sure everything is diced up into really small cubes. A little bit of neutral oil into that pan, add in the potatoes. We're gonna season them, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, a little bit of cayenne for some extra heat. Then we're gonna blanch them in an ice bath, get all that starch off, drain them, season them again, add some cornstarch or potato starch, whichever you might have on hand, give them a really good mix. Then we're gonna separate these into smaller balls. We'll proceed to press them down flat and start to shape them. If you like the ones that you see in the fast food restaurants and those shapes, you can do those. You can make them into squares, rectangles, really any size that you'd like. I find the small, the medium-sized ones a little bit easier to work with and a little bit easier to deep fry. You'll notice tonight I'm gonna be deep frying half of these and air frying the other half. And we can use our spatula to simply straighten those out and get them to perfection. That way we feel like we are buying these in the restaurant. You know the restaurant I'm talking about. Fry until they're golden brown. When they're done, they'll be floating towards the top of the oil. Let's drain them and pat them dry as well. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your hash browns.
I air fried half and deep fried half, and you can too. I'm so excited for these. I have a steak ready to go. These are gonna be fantastic. Let's give it a try. That's super hot. Those were air fried. This was deep fried from first. Ooh, yeah, look at that. You see that? Oh yeah, you know it. Boom! These are delicious. And I didn't even need to buy an overpriced coffee to get it.